Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to check your Snapchat score on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open your Snapchat application on your device. After opening guys, on the top left side corner you can get your one profile icon. Just tap on it and here you can get the Snapchat score of your profile. As you can see, 102 is my Snapchat score. As you can see now guys, if you want to check your friends Snapchat score guys, just you need to open the friends profile. Just you need to tap on that profile picture of your friend like this, and here you can also view your friend's Snapchat score. As you can see, so that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.